Her best friend named Keisha. Told twin Uzis, call my Nina. You better watch your knees. I need roll my Doja fever. Run out of car with no lease. I met that boy so he can't even speak. I know my dinner ain't cheap. Down at that Gucci and shop off a leaf. Her best friend named Keisha. Told twin Uzis, call my Nina.
Guys, it's your girl Sky, aka Big Sky, and I'm back with another motherfucking video. And it's another monkey video. We're doing another monkey one. Monkey said, monkey said, monkey said, monkey said.
Oh, what is that in that profile? Oh, yeah, that's why.
What?
What are you?
Yeah, them choppy ass fucking dreads he got. Them shits don't even match.
I'm trying to fuck you, bitch. Let's get in a move on.
Trying to fuck you. You okay?
Thought of fucking you because my dick is too valid for you. So, makes sense.
So you and that shrimpy little dick need to go somewhere else.
No,
Cause I don't
nigga.
want to fuck you. I don't want you to fuck me.
I said,
we never gonna fuck, okay?
listen,
Remember
no,
that.
listen.
Don't make me fuck you up, girl.
That's how you clear, bitch. You have a long neck. Actually, I'm gonna take that back.
Hold on.
Wait, actually, I'm gonna take that back. Wait, I'm gonna take it back. I'm gonna take it back.
Alright, he backs off and fry your ass.
Who the fuck?
She said something about her man. I don't know if she got a nigga, but if she got a nigga, that dick better be big. Big little dick. Big nigga.
That's not funny, bitch.
Bro, watch. One day, you're gonna see an old person in a diaper. Yeah.
Hey, but don't be motherfucker talking like that. Anyway, like I said,
Oh,
where
but
you
I don't give
from?
a fuck, cause bitch, I'm on that.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh shit.
Bitch, I'm on that. On that type of timing. Bitch, I get active. And bitch, that's on my dad. Oh, let me not say that. I'm gonna push it, so.
Hey.
Only need.
Don't want to hear it.
Who's she talking to?
What? Get the fuck out my fucking face. I'm gonna see you on the next. Anywho, I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.